at the Colorado Springs Resort, but this time we have London and Cora and Sade with us, and we are going over to the pool. As you see the sand, and you can sit here by the water here and kind of chill out and relax. Got a beautiful view here, you know. So we're just gonna take this walk right on over to the main pool area, and that's where you'll find Cora and London and the rest of the gang. So here we go. Going into the pool. There's your pool hours. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm gonna walk over here. I don't see nobody yet. I'm gonna grab me a towel. They're not in the kiddie pool, the splash pool area. But I'm gonna grab me a towel, because I don't see them yet. All right, there go London. What's up, London? Say what's up. Looking like your daddy. Here's Sheree. Say hi, Sheree. Miss Sade, living the life. And this is the retired lady here. She done lived her life. She was laying back like she was chilling. Turn around, say hi. Say hey, everybody.
Hi.
Say what's up.
Hi.
Say what's up.
What's up?
There you go. All right. Cora chilling. Where you at, Cora? You know where you at?
I at the pool.
She at the pool.
I at your job.
She said she at my job.
That's not, no, we was meeting Pop here afterwards.
Yo. London and chill mode. London ready to get in the pool. Ready? Let's do this and be true to this. Let's go, London. Let's go, London. Let's go.
Father.
London going up. Well, where did he go? Let me see where he at. I don't understand this. Hold on a second. All right, I'm picking it back up from where I left off. Okay, now I see. Look at this view we got. This is the view we have. Colorado Springs, folks. Look. There goes Sade and there goes Sari right there. And I'll let you know when London coming down. London up there. And he's gonna come down like these kids doing now. So I'll see him right over there. All right, London should be coming down. There you go. There you go, London. There you go, Cora.
All right, we got all you guys. You guys are going one time, okay?
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. It's a beach day. So we brought Cora and London down to the beach today, and we just got here, and we kind of chilling right now. Everybody's in a good mood, and we made it down here, and we're safe. Even with a heavy heart, we have heavy hearts this morning, and but we still, been making it happen for the kids, and letting them enjoy themselves. Been a little rough week, so we decided to go to the beach. We still been deciding to let the kids have fun and enjoy themselves. So another day with S&I, and another magical moment with S&I. Hit that like, subscribe to the channel, and check out some of the videos. Let me show you what London look like right now. He's stand up, Cora doing her thing. This Cherie right here. She's kind of waving on each other, eating her sandwich and saying hi to everybody. But, and this is what it looked like on the beach. There's a lot of people out here. We're still coming. And the time is about, maybe 1 o'clock. I don't know. But it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. So keep watching, keep looking. We'll be right back. You see London burying his feet in the sand. And Cora, she just having a good time. And London got his feet buried.
Oh my God, I see a bug.
And Cora doing her thing. We're making our way towards the water here. She and them is way ahead of me. It's a beautiful day. Look at all these people out here. It's beautiful though. Really, really nice. Yeah, the wind. All that. Watch the hole. Somebody dug a big hole, one of the kids. Right there. That's Cherie in London. Oh, beautiful. Look how nice and clear the water is.
London back out in the water. A little bit of whiskey.
I didn't come back.
Okay, London's got to go back. Papa messed
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Oh, look at this. We're doing a mess. We had a rough here. It's called Siesta Key. Siesta Key. It's Siesta Key, Florida. White sand. Sand is not hot.
No way.
Yeah, it's white sand. White sand. The water is a little brown, but you can still see through it. That was like maybe because of the storm. Pushed up some stuff. They say usually the water is like real clear blue, yeah. What the hell was that? But yeah, it's really nice. You gotta come to this one.
How about I wet?
Oh, because of the water. What, this thing that they on? Let me spray you again.
Why?
Hit it.
Hey.
All right, me and Cora made a little sandcastle. You made a sandcastle, Cora?
You can't do. Let's make it.
All right, we're gonna finish it. Yeah, she's still at it. Still doing her thing. Time me out. I'm asleep like a baby. I'm asleep like a baby. Let me show y'all guys what's happening out here in a second.
Now the shade shade going over. Over there.
London. All sand up. Get out that chair. Don't sit in that chair. Spaghetti. All sand up. And you want to try to sit in the chair.
Ready to go rinse off now? Come on, let's go rinse off.
Take
Take a picture of that. All right.